2 minutes and go down and consult.
Thank you. I did try to consult her. We were still in this house when I tried to consult with you. And the court was still in the
Can we just adjourn for that minutes?
Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to any video. Nyabonga kakhulu for coming. Thank you very much. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi kumele subscribe. Mangaba ka subscribe, you have to please subscribe, like a video, share a video, and yeah, ubuke nama advert as well as a belief dog. Thank you very much. So ngifuna ukukhuluma ngalo baba bafethu ubaba uRudolph. No, he is Zachariah Olivia. Something like that. Lo mlungu lwana owaboshwa for allegedly ukubulala abantu besifazana ababili farm yakhe, something like that. Babalahlela ke ngase ingulubeni. So ukutholakala kwabasebedliwa ingulube, okay, which is a very sad story bafethu. Udaba lolu lwangizisa ubuhlungu kakhulu bafethu ukuthi ungathatha umuntu njengempela noma sekuthiwa akazaphefumuli bese umlahlela ingulubeni ukuthi azidlele, which is something so evil. So yona into okuthiwa yenziwa ngulomlimi lo. He's a farmer bafethu. So uboshwe yena ke nabasebenzi bakababili, something like that. But I think la ecourt bekuze yena kuphela ukhalile lo mlungu bafethu lapha nese court, angazi ukuthi ukhalile, but for me I think ukhalisa mhlambe izinto ahlangabezana nazo inside ejele, because I sihleli sibabona abantu beze court, you guys, like umalume cried, okay, umalume cried. Isililo ke kumlimi osolwa ngokubulala besifazane abaphakele izingulube. Ukhalile angazi mhlamba I can just I'll just mute it, ngizoyimute ngilahlele on my screen. Sometimes ngiyapromise ngithi ngizoletha iclip kanti kuno music kuyona, so ngizomute bese ngiyilahlela la umalume ehlele court ekhala nje ngempela ukhala abantu ka TikTok bebethi cabanga nje kodwa abantu abafite ezingulubeni. Yethi yena uhlala la izokhala azenze victim, like honestly udaba lwakhe nje into yakhe nje ayikho when it comes to me. So uZachariah Olivia ke usolwa ke ngokubulala besifazane wasethatha ke izidumbu zabo ke aziphakele izingulube. Just imagine ukhale mi eboxini labasolwa kumlimi waseLimpopo ovele ngolesithatha enkantolo yesifunda iPolokwane. Usolwa ngokubulala abasifazane ababili abamnyama, wathatha izidumbu zabo waziphakela ingulube. uZachariah Olivia ke wabosha noRudolph Devet noWilliam Musoro ngo-August ngamacala okubulala oMaria Makhato noKutsa Ndlovu. So Olivia ubevele enkantolo ke ezofaka isicelo sebail, asola nabo Devet noMusoro bazilaxaza ke izicelo zabo zebail. Ukulalela kwesicelo sakhe kuhlehlisele uFebruary 18 ngonyaka ozayo, which means mhlambe yona into ebisenza khala umalume kanjalo ngazi wacabanga ukuthi usazochitha iChristmas neNew Year elabana until February mntakabawo. Mhlambe ubecabanga nje na yonke into eqhubekayo ngale selini wavele wakhala umalume. Ukulalela kwesicelo sakhe ke kuhlehliselwe ngoFebruary 18 ngonyaka ozayo. Ukuhlehliswa kwesicelo sakhe kuthiwa kwenziwe ngenxa yokuthi ubengekho ummeli wakhe obezomfakela isicelo. Hayi wakhala mntakaba wakhala. Kodwa ke mangabe ngempela lento ababoshela ukuthi bayenza ngempela, hayi usathane ke loyo. Imagine nje labo mama ukuthi abangena la efarm yabo ntontontona ngazi babesenzani, and then they shot them and then they died, and after that mase beshonile kanjalo idumbu zabo ziphiwe ingulube. Iqiniso lelo bafethu, iqiniso nje ngempela bafethu, mase ukuthi abelunga basithandi. Hayi bafethu, umuntu azakulahlela ingulubeni and kuthi beziyotholakala ingulube zasezidlela. Imagine ingulube idla umuntu. Yilo mlungu lo namhlanje uhleli la uyakhala, lo mlungu secourt uyakhala, uyivictim ke manje, uyena ivictim. Hey uhlukumezeke lokho, uyabona uhlukumezeke ukuthi labantu bayangihlukumeza ke manje. But imagine labo bantu labo wafida wena engulubeni zakho. Can you imagine bafethu? Kodwa but we are all humans. Mina yonke lento ebala ngazi ukuthi isuke nje iqhamukapi. Imagine nje. And when okay, the other one is Rudolph Devet, I understand. And as for the Zachariah one, like really? So bathatha nje labantu bawe balahlela lapha ingulube zayidlela, and ukhona futhi nomuntu omnyama lapha uyabona nje lento yenziwa ebantwini bebale lifana nelakhe. Mhlambe yayingeke into angayenza. Like what nonsense was that bafethu? Of course, like innocent until proven guilty, but kwathiwa yona into abayenza labo mama laba balahlela ingulubeni. Ingulube zaseziyitika lapha. Imagine bafethu, and ukhona umuntu omnyama lapha, lo Zachariah Musoro whatever it is. Like really? ngingawushiya nomsebenzi kuthiwa ngibuke nje nangumuntu omnyama ebulawa ngumlungu kuthiwa siya sibaphoseleni lapha engulubeni ngikhona nami ngumuntu omnyama ukuthi sibaphoseleni engulubeni ingulube zidle ngavele ngithi goodbye and keep your money. Ha sis, like really honestly yethu malume is sitting there crying namhlanje court. Hayi bafethu ayisono lesabasenza ke kodwa hayi mina ngithi nje ababonele ejele if ngempela they are found guilty ababonele ejele because that was so satanic bafethu. Angazi isho vola ka comment section njengoba ekhala kanjena njengateni uyahlukunyezwa. What about labo bantu labo? At least yena uyaphila ke bafethu. At least yena uyaphila because they are no longer living and basebedliwa ingulube. What are you crying for? Come on. But angazi, thank you so much for watching the video. Like, subscribe, share, bese siyabonana kwenye ilandelayo. Bye.